What clients can expect when building an e-commerce website with Accel Ecommerce. An e-commerce website usually starts with a product idea, but turning that idea into a fully functioning online store takes a significant amount of planning, organization, and decision-making. Business owners have to determine how products should be grouped, which pages their site needs, what information visitors should see, and how they want their brand represented through their logo, colors, fonts, and visuals. With so many details to manage, the work can quickly become overwhelming. Accel Ecommerce helps make the website building process more approachable by breaking it into a 5-week plan that guides clients from early discussions through design, store training, and launch preparation. Based in Woodinville, Washington, the company works with businesses of all sizes, helping them create organized online stores, improve their online presence, and develop consistent branding across each page of their website. Depending on the services they choose, clients may have access to a dedicated account manager, daily classes, live training, recorded videos, written resources, and 6 months of continued support after launch. Accel Ecommerce's high-touch service focuses on support, communication, and education. The goal is to help clients understand what is happening throughout the website build while giving them the guidance and resources needed to create a store that fits their business, products, and website needs. Rather than handing clients a completed site they must learn to manage on their own, Accel Ecommerce involves them in each important decision, from the first product conversations to the questions that come up after launch. Week 1. Aligning vision, strategy, and expectations. The first week, called Getting Acquainted, gives Accel Ecommerce and the client time to get on the same page. During this stage, the team learns more about the company, discusses its goals, reviews possible products, and explains what to expect over the next 4 weeks. Every client comes into the process with a different level of e-commerce experience. Some have already managed an online store and are familiar with product categories, suppliers, and order processing. Others are launching their first online business and may need more guidance before making certain decisions. The company adjusts its communication based on the client's experience, Accel Ecommerce said. The goal is to make the process feel clear, organized, and supportive from onboarding through completion. Throughout the project, clients receive regular updates, including what information or materials are still needed, what has already been completed, and what the team will work on next. This ongoing communication keeps the project organized while helping clients understand how each of their decisions will affect the finished website. Information about the products a business plans to sell, for example, may influence its category pages, navigation, written content, and the amount of space needed in different parts of the website. A business offering several product lines may need more categories and menu options than a store with a smaller catalog. Early planning also allows clients to identify their priorities before design work begins. Together, the client and project team discuss the pages, features, information, and product categories that best support the business's goals, while also exploring the company's niche and market position. Research tools can also be useful for clients while evaluating their options and deciding whether to prioritize specific products or website features. Whether the client is starting from scratch or receiving support for an existing website, communication, collaboration, and education remain central throughout the getting acquainted phase. By the end of the first week, both the client and the project team have a stronger understanding of the business, making it easier to move confidently into the next stage of the website build. Building a digital storefront around the brand. And once the planning stage is finished, it's time to bring the client's vision to life. Called Build the Store, Week 2 focuses on developing the website's design, branding, and overall structure, which all affect the customer experience. The process starts with a business introduction, a design questionnaire, logo creation, and, when needed, information about selling platforms such as eBay or Amazon. These steps help turn the ideas discussed during the first week into specific design choices for the store. Through the design questionnaire, clients can share their preferences for colors, fonts, images, page layouts, and other visual details. Rather than focusing on each piece individually, Accel Ecommerce looks at how everything works together to create a consistent and recognizable style across the store. A logo often helps establish the website's colors and overall style. Those colors can then carry through to homepage banners, buttons, and category graphics. The number of product groups may also influence how categories are organized and how customers find their way through the store. Industry trends can provide useful ideas, but the final design should still fit the client's business, products, audience, and preferences, Accel Ecommerce said. The company develops layouts for desktop and mobile use. As the pages are built, Accel Ecommerce may also upload initial content provided by the client, including About Us, Contact, Terms and Conditions, and privacy pages. As the website comes together, clients have opportunities to share feedback on visuals, layouts, and other design details. By prioritizing collaboration, Accel Ecommerce helps ensure that the final design reflects the business's style and goals. Transitioning from website design to business management. With the website design well underway, the next 2 weeks shift the focus toward the business decisions and tools owners will use once their store is ready to launch. Week 3, called Getting Established, covers suppliers, business relationships, documentation, and a tutorial on business email. Accel Ecommerce may introduce clients to website platforms, e-commerce tools, outside providers, and industry resources that can support different parts of their store. These resources may include options such as dropshipping. While Accel Ecommerce provides access to information and potential resources, clients maintain full control over their business decisions, including which products to offer, which suppliers to consider, and which partnerships to pursue. This ensures that important choices remain in their hands. Week 4, called Learning the Dashboard, introduces clients to the tools they will use to manage their website. This includes reviewing product information, updating store details, submitting orders, and understanding how payments are processed. Clients also learn about common e-commerce terms and pricing concepts they may encounter while operating their business, including wholesale pricing, manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, and minimum advertised price, MAP. Understanding how these pricing terms differ helps owners make more informed decisions when adding products and working with suppliers. Learning these tasks before launch also gives clients time to ask questions and become more familiar with the systems they will use moving forward. By introducing these processes well before the website goes live, Accel Ecommerce helps clients prepare for the responsibilities of running an e-commerce business. Having a better understanding of these tools and workflows ahead of time can help prevent confusion, reduce avoidable issues, and give owners more confidence once they start managing their store. The Accel Advantage: a partner through every stage of e-commerce. During the 5th week, prep for grand opening, the different pieces of the website undergo a final review before launch. Accel Ecommerce helps clients look through the store as a whole and ensure the completed work aligns with the direction of their business. The team may review the website's pages, product categories, navigation, branding, written content, and store features. Client feedback remains an important part of this stage, giving owners the opportunity to make final adjustments before the website goes live. This stage brings together all of the decisions made throughout the entire project, from the way products are organized to the way the business is represented visually. Completing the website is an important milestone, but the relationship with Accel Ecommerce does not end there. Clients may continue receiving live support for another 6 months, giving them time to ask questions, review features, and revisit information covered during training. Once a store is active, owners may experience situations that they did not think about during the build process. They may need a reminder about where certain information is updated, how products are organized, or how a specific task works when managing the website on an everyday basis. Having access to Accel Ecommerce's expertise after launch gives clients more time to become comfortable with their store and address questions as they arise during normal business operations. Success is not limited to a sales or traffic number, the company said. It can also mean that a client has a professional website, understands the process, feels supported, and has a stronger online foundation. By the end of the 5-week process, clients have not only built a website but also gained a better understanding of how their store works. From organizing products and creating a consistent brand presence to learning the tools needed to manage the site after launch, the process is designed to give business owners more confidence in running their e-commerce operation.